Adding a watermark to your photo is a great way to protect your work or build a brand recognition. A watermark shows that the photo belongs to you or your brand. It also makes it harder for anyone to steal your photo. And with Photoshop, you can easily add a custom watermark that is uniquely yours. I'm talking about custom watermark that stands out. Anyone who sees it will know that the photo is yours. Creating your own watermark is a quick and easy process that only takes a few minutes. It allows you to add any elements you desire, such as your name, logo, or website. Once you have created your watermark, you can use it repeatedly whenever you need it. So, are you curious about how to do this? Creating a custom watermark in Photoshop is simple. Follow these steps I will show you in this video and you will have your own watermark to start using in no time. So first, open up Photoshop and open a new document. This is where you will design the watermark. Enter 500 pixels for width and height. Then set the color mode to RGB color and 8-bit. Lastly, change the background to transparent. Now, click OK and an empty square will open. This is your canvas for the watermark design. With a blank page ready, add in any text or images you want for your watermark. To add text, select the text tool, click where you want the text to go and type what you want it to say. For this tutorial, I have chosen GraphixGrove as the brand name. If desired, you can change the font or size. To move the text, simply click on the Move tool, then click on the text and drag it to your desired location. You can also include a photo, shape, logo, or anything else by dragging it into Photoshop onto the watermark document. Now, place, size, and move it just how you envision your watermark looking. And because I want to get the logo under the text, I move the logo layer under the text layer. And then change the opacity of the logo layer to 20%. In the next steps, we need to create a pattern from the watermark we have just made. To make the watermark tile editable, go to the window in the upper menu, then find the patterns. This will open a new panel where you get the option to add a new pattern by clicking on the new pattern icon. Now name it whatever you want and click OK. The watermark design is now set as a repeatable pattern. Now you can use the custom watermark on photos. To see how it looks on an image, open an image, click an adjustment layer icon and choose pattern. This action will open pattern fill window. Now pick your new watermark from the pattern preset drop-down menu. However, as you can see, we are not done yet. The watermark is quite intrusive in my opinion. Therefore, we need to change its size by scaling it, and I would also like to have it at a different angle. Now it's time to decrease the opacity so that the photo shows through. As you can see, creating your own Photoshop watermark gives you a quick, unique way to sign photos as your work. It lets viewers know an image is yours or your brand while still leaving the photo visible. So don't let your creativity go uncredited. Make a watermark in Photoshop and use it to mark your F-Sum photos today.